Allison here from Project Motherhood, and as always, I have an amazing product that I am so excited to share with you guys. What I have for you today is a kids fashion subscription box that really truly is unlike any other kids clothing subscription box on the market. So first of all, it is a mom-owned business called Kids on 45th. Can you see the box here? I love supporting mom-owned businesses first and foremost. We got to support, other women out there. It is so important to make those choices. It's so important. Yeah, even Blake says it is. But what sets apart Kids on 45th is that it is this brand has set out to really help reduce the amount of clothing waste, which is a huge problem here in the United States. All of the pieces in these kids fashion boxes are pre-loved pieces. They are in amazing condition, and you are able to customize boxes, and you get these pieces like 60 to 90% off retail prices. You can quite literally go onto their website below, and in minutes order your kids' whole season wardrobe. You can get 17 pieces for around $35. So that alone, it's so much less expensive than the regular kids subscription boxes that are out there. Oh, I'm sitting on Oliver's tail. As you guys can tell, whenever we do these videos, everyone just crams in. Oliver has to be a part of everything. So without further ado, I'm gonna let Brandon and Blake unbox this month's kids subscription box from Kids on 45th so you guys can see how amazing these pieces are and how much making this purchase for your kids' clothes versus running to Target or H&M or whatever is going to help reduce the amount of waste that we have here in the United States, which again is a huge, huge issue. So let's all make a promise to kind of try to make smarter choices and seriously consider checking out Kids on 45th. So without further ado, Brandon and Blake, I want you guys to dig in. Go ahead over here, Blakey. All right, here, let's I'm gonna move the camera over here. Yeah. Show everybody here. Show everybody on the camera. Oh my, that's so cute. What's that, Blake? Brandon's turn, see?
I'm just giving Blake all this.
Okay. Okay, so I guess, let's not have a temper tantrum while we're on the camera. It's okay, you take out this one. Oh my goodness, what is that? Open that up. Open that up. Deep breaths. Deep breaths. All right, well then let's Brandon take a turn. Brandon's gonna take a turn. Let's see what Brandon got.
Pants from Adidas.
Oh my gosh, we are Adidas obsessed. Go ahead, what else did you get? Blake, do you want to take a turn? No. Okay. Blake's having a moment. It's okay.
Wow, I got this really nice sweater. It's fine.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's this orange and
Nike
gray
hoodie. Oh, that's perfect for you.
Oh,
Blake, are you ready to show everybody?
No. It's okay. She can do it.
Okay.
It's just for Blake and me. Oh, I got these nice pants.
Oh, you love the joggers. Cute.
It's for Blake.
You might be. Open it up and see.
No idea.
Oh, that's for you.
It is?
Oh, it's a cute shirt.
Oh, yeah, it is.
No, these are for you. Blake, open this up. Look at what this is. I think it's something that you're going to love. It's sparkly.
Oh, Blake. We got this nice shirt.
Oh, that's cute. I like it. Brandon loves to keep things sporty and simple, and they totally hit the nail on the head with this.
Yeah, I hate stuff that's like all dressed down, stuff all proper.
Yeah, he doesn't like to get dressed up. Show everybody. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, okay.
Wait, don't throw your stuff. That's
Hey.
Blake.
Okay.
That's not good.
Look at this, Blakey. She got this skirt.
Oh. She's throwing it all on the floor right now.
I'm not editing this out because I promise to always give you guys nothing but what's real
let me show
in our
them.
life.
Huh.
No. I'm not moving the camera, but this is everyday. These are everyday occurrences in the Cooper household, and it looks like she's coming around. This is so cute.
It is.
Oh my goodness.
It's shiny.
Oh, she's gonna put it on. What about this, Blake? You got a little windbreaker that looks like a ladybug. You guys, they really hit the nail on the head with all of these cute pieces. Look at that. Here, why don't you stand right here on the couch so that everybody can see. Look, stand on the couch. No, you gotta stand. No, they can't see it. You gotta stand on the couch, sweetie. Stand. Stand on your feet on the couch. Okay, she's not understanding. All right, well, can you grab the rest of those pretty things over there? She's gonna put on a fashion show for you guys. Brandon, do you have any more pieces to show?
I've got one more.
Okay, what you
I
got?
got these nice cargo pants.
Yeah.
Nice cargo
Okay,
pants.
Blake, it's your turn. Come on.
I do this on.
Yeah, show everybody here. Hold it up like this.
No.
Oh, you want to put it on? Okay, well, this is happening backwards.
Mommy,
It's okay.
This on.
Okay, so we're gonna do a fashion show for you guys, apparently. Never a dull moment
Put this
here.
off.
I know, no, we don't need to take that off. We're live on video here. Blake, our little model. I think that it's safe to say that Kids on 45th was a winner with our kids. These pieces are they look like they are right off the shelves, brand new. You really can't go wrong choosing secondhand, pre-loved pieces like this. They take things that are in excellent condition. Blake is going to send us off here. Wait till you see. Wow, come here. No, you guys stars. Ooh. She loves it so much she almost knocked me out. All right, well, okay. On that note, I think we're gonna say goodbye. Can you say goodbye to everybody? Thanks for tuning in, and definitely check out Kids on 45th the next time you need to shop for your kids or for holidays coming up. Bye, everyone. You say bye? Say bye. Brandon, say bye.
Bye.